Yeah, hello guys. You're welcome once more again to Mamo Exam Prep Up. Today we are going to be looking at a problem on a quadratic equation, but a little bit advanced. So it's a bit tricky here. Now the question says find the solution of the equation x minus 8 root x plus 15 is equals to 0. So what we are going to do as solution. Now if you look what we have x and we have root x. So we are going to say I want to use some other alphabet. Let m be equals to, okay, I'll say root x. So instead of root x, we are going to use m. So if m is root x, then what will be m squared? Because in your quadratic equation, you want to have a square. So we want to transform all this such that we have a square here. So what is our m squared? If m is equals to root x, so m squared means root x multiply root x. And that will give us what? X. So having established that, we are going to substitute for what? M and m squared. So substituting, we can say that instead of x, okay, I'm going to put m squared, this. So this is our equation. We can write it as m squared, okay, minus what? 8. So square root of x here stands for what? M, okay, plus 15 is equals to 0. So from this, what can we do? Now we are going to what? Factorize this. We are going to factorize this. So if we are to factorize this, we are to look for what? We have to look for two numbers that their product will give us what? Their product will give us plus 15 and their sum will give us what? Minus what? 8. So applying that rule, we are going to check. I'm seeing that the numbers can be what? 3 and what? 5. Somehow 3 and 5 can give us 8, and if we multiply 3 and 5, they can give us what? 15. So from that, now let's quickly check the signs to put. Okay, the signs to put. Now for the signs, I'm saying that what can, add to give us minus 8, and what can multiply to give us 15, what can multiply to give us plus 15, is when we have negative 3 and negative what? 5. So instead of minus 8m, we are going to substitute. We are going to write m squared, okay, negative 3m, okay, negative 5m plus 15, giving us 0. So that is the new equation we have. From this, we have this. Because minus 3m minus 5m is still minus 8. So from this point, we now have to factor what's common here. I can see that m is common. So we divide this by what? M minus 3m divided by what? M. Now for minus 5m and plus 15, minus 5 is common. So I'm going to divide this by what? 5. So minus 15 divided by 5 equals to 0. Now the plus I change to minus. Why? Because minus times minus will give us plus. And the signs here has to be the same when you are doing this process. Okay, so from this step, let's now go further. If we go further to solve the equation, we can see that we can now cancel out. Now m, will remove 1 here, so I have m multiply, we have just 1m there. Minus this, we cancel this, so we have minus 3. This is minus 5. Okay, this will cancel. This is 1, 1. So we have m minus, this is 1, this is 3. So we have 3 equals to 0. Now we can further factorize again. We can further factorize this again. So at this point, what is common? This and this is common. So I have m minus 3 outside. Okay, so here I have m into m minus 3. So since we have brought this outside, we'll divide it here. Minus. So I'll also do the same thing here. So this is common, so we brought it outside. So we'll divide what we brought outside here, and also divide it here. So this will cancel out, this is 1, 1. So I have m minus 3, which is out here, opening the bracket, so we are left with m here. This will cancel, this is 1, 1, so we are left with minus what? 5 equals to 0. So at this point, what do we apply? We should remember that if we have a times b equals to 0, okay? A times b is equals to 0. What this implies is that either a or b should be 0 before that condition is satisfied. Okay? Either a or b should be 0. So when you have this, it means a is equals to 0 or what? B is equals to 0. So that 0 times b is 0 or 0 times a is 0. Now if we have, this is my a and this is my b. So I can say m minus 3 is equals to what? 0 or what? m minus 5 is equals to 0. From this is a simple equation. We can add 3 to both sides. So m is equals to what? This is 0, so 0 plus 3 is 3. Then we can also do the same thing to this. So I have m minus 5. I'm going to add 5 here. So I'm also going to add 5 here. So this is 0, so m is equals to what? 5. Now for the fact that we've gotten the values of m as what? Okay, m is what? 3 or what? 5. We are now going to use this to find x. Remember, our x is given as what? From the equation, m squared. We substituted x as m squared. So to find the solution, we have to find the value of what? X. So what it means is I'm going to substitute m as 3 here, so x will be what? 3 squared or what? Substitute m as 5, we have what? 5 what square. So our answers to this problem are what? We have 9 or what? 25. So these are the solutions, to the equation that was given. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share this video to your loved ones and friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye.